if it is possible to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So if you have some kind of coupons, the minimum purchase limit only applies to coupons or your gift card vouchers, but it does not apply to your actual cash or your payment method, but it only applies to your vouchers. So if I try to go to any of these products and tap on, if I go to my cart, and from here if I want to check out, so as you can see there is no option to remove the minimum purchase limit here. So what you want to do is contact the support team. So tap on this U icon at the bottom, tap on the support at the top right, and if you scroll all the way down you can see the contact us button right here. In here you want to type in something like, I want to remove the checkout limit, like this. And if you type this in, this chatbot will help you answer your questions related to this app. So as you can see, we understand your concern and want to let you know that our minimum order limit is in place to help reduce packaging waste and carbon emissions. So there is a cause for them to apply this. So it's saying, we kindly inquire you if you would be open to adding more of your desired items shipped to Temu's to meet the minimum. So it's asking you to add more items to your checkout list so that the carbon emissions and the packaging waste are not that much. So in short, it is not possible right now to remove the Temu's minimum purchase limit. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.